At the same angle.
It's pretty impressive.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
I feel like it needs to be in some sort of bit more urban setting than the country setting. That's the only thing.
Really?
Because yeah, it's kind of like.
Find it in a forest?
Should we have him like taking leads of it and stuff and like pulling it out?
It's moving.
Yeah, I don't know. To be honest, like we haven't fully decided because we don't know the area too much.
Yeah.
Like obviously up to the kind of those hills and around the lakes is lovely.
Yeah.
But I'm also wondering if there's like more of like kind of a German style
Here.
you know, near, and then we take it up there after.
Yeah.
You know, to get some shots of it sitting. So I suppose do you know anywhere like kind of local around town that's kind of real,
Like near a building?
yeah,
Or something? Right down beyond the tubing building right here, there's a little house.
Do you,
And there's a little parking lot.
Do you want to, if you don't want to drive it about, you just can jump in the back of ours.
We can cruise it down there.
But you can,
Yeah.
we can cruise about. Okay.
Yeah,
You have a radio. Let me grab a radio. Look what I got.
Oh,
Completed betrayed you. Didn't get you.
here.
Didn't think you'd want
I'm
one.
here, so I'm gonna have the volume all the way up.
Yeah, that's all good. What'd you say? I just didn't think you'd want this one early in the morning.
Oh no. This a house?
This is somebody's house.
So in years past, we shot the 190 in this parking lot, in this little driveway, but somebody's in the house right now, but I don't know if maybe right here on the road, looking at the house and the trees, or...
Yeah.
But this was right down the street, so I figured we'd swing it here first. But this was like, during solo, this is like a coveted spot to park, because it was like in the driveway.
Yeah, that's cool, yeah.
But the front one's almost a better spot to shoot the car, but the guy's car's there. Because it's like right in front of the house, you know?
Yeah. I suppose we're just trying to have a think about what you know, the story message is and like a concept, you know.
Yeah.
Is there any other spots that come to mind, or?
Yeah, I mean down the main strip here, there's some spots in front of some of the businesses and houses and stuff. The bar that you guys went into last night has kind of like a wide open lot with buildings in the background.
Yeah. What are you thinking?
We could swing up the main road here, and there's some more businesses and parking lots and stuff. Might have like a cool backdrop.
Let's have a look. Yeah.
We can just cruise up the street there.
Yeah, let's have a cruise. Yeah, yeah.
I'll have her keep this near her ear or something, so you can say
It's
something.
loud in there, is it? Yeah.
It's loud. Well, when the compressor's running too, it's like mega loud.
Yeah, yeah.
John Ludwick.
John has a
sweet talker.
He's
Like.
the gift of the gab, like. That's what they say in Northern Ireland for people that can just like talk themselves out of anything or into anything.
He's just chatting around.
It's just like, what car is that? I'm like, goes, believe it or not, it is a BMW. Is he chatting his way in? Yeah. All good.
It's all good. I told him just go out. If anybody says anything, just tell them come back. It's me.
Thank you. She had no idea what I said.
What did you say?
Did he talk us way in?
Oh yeah.
You didn't even know what I said?
I just couldn't remember. You want to call it that? The bass patina.
Yeah, just bring it back a bit out of the disable spots.
At the same angle?
Oh, hold on. Let me pull the camera out and let me see what it looks like on camera. Okay, so it's what day is it? Friday. Actually, January. I thought it was Saturday that day. So it's Friday. We are. We got up early this morning to shoot John's BMW 700. Is that what it's called? Yeah.
Yes.
Did I get the name right? Okay, I got the name right. And just before the rain hits later on, so we've found like this little secluded spot right beside kind of this lake, and we're doing some shots, and then we're gonna take it for some rollers. So that basically sums it up.
Yes.
That's
How we're
all.
going to do rollers, I don't know. But
Yeah, we're gonna have to work out how to do rollers out of this thing. I'm thinking I hang out of this door, basically. Everything's very sharp. That's sharp. Looks sore.
looks very small.
Seatbelt safety first.
Of course.
Need a hoodie or something there. That's sore.
Oh, if Marquez could see this.
Marquez is gonna watch this and he's gonna know. Because the
Yeah.
there you go.
Yeah.
That was easy.
Well, I figured it's my tool. I'll strip it. And if it stripped it, I wouldn't want you to feel bad. Or if you stripped it. Yeah.
There you go. I've already released the cable. All you need to do is take the thing off. Just as it starts to rain. Perfect.
Oh, it's sunny now.
Yeah, but. I'll scratch up the side of the door here.
Let's see if I can do that.
No, it's still pretty stiff. Yeah.
The door's not gonna just fall out. Oh no.
No, you have to pull it up and off. This is
Well,
a
you never know.
safety lock.
What? Like,
No.
anyone's luck would be like,
Jeep would not be. Jeep's engineers wouldn't be too smart if they designed it that way. Just, oh, whoops.
let's undo this and have it fall.
This cap came off and the door fell right off. There you go. You want to set it in the back seat here?
Yeah, let me just clear a spot.
Or cover it with that towel or something.
You go. You wanna hold this a second? The door is now off.
That's sick.
Makes your life easier.
Oh, it's just hitting me console.
I don't know if that's gonna fit. Well, you could lay it down, obviously, but it'll be in your side, on your side of the Jeep too. Done and done.
Who needs doors?
Right. Did you change it over?
Yeah.
Did you run the thing?
No.
Run the thing.
Need to do that.
Run the thing. Seatbelt safety first. Got you. Let's go! I actually thought I was gonna die. So we were just driving around and we seen this. Is this like a thing that someone, or has somebody done this? This is I really like it.
It's kind of what I imagine. Like,
I think someone's done this.
if you want this, a pickup for your funeral.
Like even the roof.
Open air, boy.
That's pretty impressive. It's weird, like, but pretty impressive. Bit like yourself, James.
Thanks.
So what's happened so far? What was that? What did you see?
I know you were talking about clear coating patina cars.
Is that what it looks like? Yeah, it is very shiny. So yeah, what have we done so far today? We did a shoot with John, then we did basically just hung about and filmed a load of different meets. I think there was like 6, 7, 8, 9 meets on today, and this is one of the last ones of the day. This is a Beetle. What?
I was just thinking about different meat.
Like chicken,
Yeah.
beef,
Yeah, I did beef.
pork. I broke an HDMI cable. Where's this? That's not meant to be like that. Always bring it back up. So yeah, we're at a Beetle meet, and there's a lot of. Is it an air cooled meet? It's definitely beetled, isn't it? Beetled. It's what?
Look,
No, it's a Beetle meet.
John's car's here.
Yeah. He's not allowed to be here though. He's not a Volkswagen.
It is half a Volkswagen.
Half a what?
A Volkswagen.
Half a what?
A Volkswagen.
Beetle.
Oh, yeah, but that's.
Ha ha.
Ah, you just be wrong. Whatever.
Okay, because I know one of the
You following us about?
I thought you were following me.
Well, yeah, I probably am. Yeah. Yeah, I'm definitely.
The Irish boys are burnt.
Oh!
You're
You're gonna feel that in the
thicker than
shower
me.
later.
It's not bad. I
guys
just
are
go.
used to
I just
it.
go red.
Just embarrassed. You're embarrassed, right?
You're embarrassed, so you were, right?
So you were. Our car doesn't have a door on it, and I just left my camera outside.
It's okay.
So I hope
You didn't learn your lesson in Wynwood?
Yeah, come on.
Sorry.
We don't talk about that, John.
Sorry.
Never
Too soon.